Hi buddy. Let's get you far from regret. Running is a very well-liked fitness choice, and for good reason. Running is not only one of the most convenient kinds of exercise, but it also requires little equipment and is reasonably priced. Additionally, running is practical and offers a host of advantages for both your physical and emotional health. You can strengthen your bones, enhance your muscle mass, boost your self-confidence, and elevate your mood. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. 1. It makes sense that you would want to run every day to take advantage of the advantages the sport has to offer. With all of these advantages and more. Is that, however, what is best for you? To help you decide what's best for you, we've broken out the science of what happens to your body when you run every day in the sections below. Benefits of daily running. Running has benefits for the entire body and is a true full-body workout. Here are a few advantages of regular exercise, including daily running. Physical advantages. One of the best and most convenient aerobic workouts for heart health is running. Your heart rate rises when you run in an effort to supply your working muscles with extra blood, oxygen, and nutrients. Your heart and lungs strengthen with time, increasing the amount of blood it can pump with each beat. Running more quickly and effectively as your cardiovascular health improves may even leave you feeling less out of breath than when you first started. In fact, it is generally known that running decreases mortality rates and improves cardiovascular health. 2. Running also helps to improve cardiometabolic parameters, such as reducing cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar. Running lowers blood pressure and raises HDL cholesterol, often known as the good cholesterol, according to studies, which helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases in general. 3. Running works a variety of muscle areas, including your core, upper body, and lower body, and is a great way to gain muscle. Running can aid in muscle growth, boost strength and endurance, and support your level of activity if you consume enough calories and protein. In reality, your core and hip muscles serve as stabilizers, so building up their strength will help you run more efficiently and reduce your chance of injury. 4. Running can be a great addition to your lifestyle if losing weight is your objective. Although losing weight is a complicated process, it is known that increased energy expenditure is undoubtedly a factor. 5. Running helps you burn calories quickly, so when combined with a calorie-reduced diet, it may help you lose weight or keep it off. Running has good effects on even your bones. Your bones experience stress from this high-impact activity, which encourages them to deposit more minerals and fortify. Additionally, running boosts the levels of the hormones calcitriol and parathyroid hormone, which encourage the body to produce more bone cells. 6. According to studies, young athletes who run have higher bone mineral contents. 7. Long-distance running also has advantages for maintaining bone mineral density as you age. According to one study, older long-distance runners maintain their bone mineral density. 8. Advantages to mental health. Running has several advantages for your mental health in addition to its many physical health advantages. One of the best ways to reduce tension and anxiety is to go outdoors and walk on the pavement. According to a study, running therapy or antidepressant medication are both successful therapies for many people with depression and anxiety disorders. 9. You can improve your attitude, self-esteem, and confidence by running. Furthermore, beta endorphins, which are known to be a crucial mediator in hippocampus neurogenesis, are released by the brain during the runner's high that many people experience. 10. This results in that feel-good feeling after a run and promotes general brain health by enhancing cognition and memory. Running is a very goal-oriented sport, and it feels fantastic to accomplish goals, try new things, or do things that we didn't believe were possible. You will feel more self-assured, proud, and productive as a result of this. Risks of daily running. There are dangers associated with daily running. The activity is physically demanding and high impact, and like all forms of exercise, too much of it can be harmful. Here are a few dangers connected to daily running. Physical dangers. Overuse injuries are common among runners and can be brought on by running too many kilometers each week or increasing their mileage too soon. Shin splints, plantar fasciitis, and Achilles tendonitis are examples of common overuse ailments. 11. It is generally advisable to start with a less is more strategy and gradually increase mileage for new runners or those returning to the sport after a break. Running can also cause weariness and minor muscle stiffness the following day. Running on sore muscles is acceptable as long as it doesn't impact your form or movement, but if it makes you compensate for the soreness or alters your normal gait, that could lead to an injury. Keep in mind that rest is necessary for muscle growth and restoration. The small tears in the muscle tissue can be repaired by fibroblasts when the muscles are at rest, making the muscles stronger. 12. Additionally, all that stress on your body over time may cause joint pain. Running frequently can cause knee, hip, ankle, or foot pain due to muscle imbalances, form defects, or genetics, but it isn't necessarily bad for your joints since they adapt to the strain you are putting on them and grow stronger. 13. Running isn't always bad for your joints because they can adapt to the stress you are putting on them. Running on different surfaces and doing different exercises can help to reduce joint discomfort and inflammation and enable you to run for longer periods of time. Mental hazards. As beneficial as running is for your mental health, overdoing it can also have some unfavorable repercussions. Running frequently can wear you out mentally, especially if you follow a strict training schedule or concentrate on a single objective. Going for a run could start to feel more like a chore than something you eagerly anticipate doing. You can feel uninspired, move more slowly, and have heavy legs. Additionally, having the need to run every day can lead to obsessive-compulsive behaviors and even an addiction to exercise. According to research, the runner's high may cause exercise addiction because people start looking for rewards in addition to stress and anxiety reduction. 14. Running excessively can also have a negative effect on one's self-esteem and body image. Eating disorders and body dissatisfaction are linked to overexercising and exercise addiction. According to one study, people who are unhappy with their bodies have higher rates of exercise addiction. 15. You might skip social activities if you run every day, which might lead to social isolation. Guidelines for safely adding daily running to your fitness program. There are several secure and healthy strategies to incorporate consistent and regular jogging into your exercise program. Increase the mileage and effort slowly at first. Many runners follow the 10% rule, which suggests avoiding increasing your weekly distance by more than 10% per week, in order to achieve this goal. If you run 10 miles one week, for instance, you wouldn't want to exceed 13 to 15 miles the next week. You should also vary the kinds of runs you take. Short, gradual recovery runs, tempo runs with intervals, and lengthy runs are all possible types of runs. Include cross-training and strength training. Any runner's toolkit must include both cross-training and strength training. Think about incorporating swimming, yoga, and riding into your training schedule. You may improve your running performance and reduce injury risk by concentrating on developing the core, hamstrings, and other important running-related muscle groups. By including strength training or cross-training days into your workout schedule, you can give your body a break from high-impact activity and give your joints, tendons, and ligaments time to heal. Put rest first. Rest days are also crucial. When you need a cue, pay attention to your body. It might be a good idea to take a day off if you have unusually high levels of weariness or soreness one day. Before it's too late, paying attention to your body can also assist prevent mental ailments and burnout. Keep your body hydrated and fed. Hydration is something that is commonly forgotten during running. Hydration is essential for avoiding exhaustion, motion sickness, and cramps. Running every day without replacing lost fluids can have major repercussions like heat exhaustion. 16. Keep in mind that your body needs sufficient nourishment and water to function. When properly nourished with enough calories, protein, carbs, and fat in addition to water and electrolytes, your body will mend more quickly. Wear the proper gear. Even though there isn't much equipment needed for running, having the correct gear is crucial. Make sure you're wearing cozy footwear that supports you well and fits your gait. When your shoes are worn out or you no longer feel the support, buy a new pair. Additionally, dress appropriately for the weather to avoid becoming too overheated or too cold. Additionally, if you're running at night, wear vibrant colors and seek out roads that are well lit. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon to get far from regret.